Have you ever pondered how your email filters spam or how YouTube suggests videos you might like? Welcome to the world of machine learning. At its core, machine learning is a powerful set of techniques that allow computers to learn from data. This isn't your typical learning though. These algorithms enable computers to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. It's like teaching a child to recognize animals. You don't explain the intricate details of animal biology. Instead, you show them pictures of animals and they learn to identify them over time. That's machine learning in action. It's already part of your day-to-day life. It's there when Netflix recommends a movie, when Siri understands your voice commands, or when your GPS predicts traffic on your commute. Now you might wonder, how did machine learning evolve and where is it applied? The concept of machine learning dates back to the mid-20th century, but it's only recently that we've been able to harness its potential. The journey of machine learning has been nothing short of fascinating. It started with simple algorithms like decision trees, which helped machines make choices based on certain conditions. As the years rolled by, machine learning evolved into something more complex and powerful. We began to see the rise of neural networks, models inspired by the human brain capable of learning from vast amounts of data. Milestones such as the creation of the perceptron in the late 50s, the development of backpropagation in the 70s, and the recent surge of deep learning techniques have all contributed to the advancement of this field. Each step forward was a leap towards machines that could learn and adapt, not just follow preset instructions. So, where is machine learning making its mark? The answer is almost everywhere. In healthcare, machine learning algorithms can predict disease outbreaks, assist in diagnosis, and even personalize treatment plans. In finance, they're used for credit scoring, fraud detection, and algorithmic trading. And in the entertainment industry, machine learning is behind the personalized recommendations you get on platforms like Netflix or Spotify. However, machine learning isn't just limited to these sectors. It's used in self-driving cars, voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, and even in identifying fake news. The applications are as diverse as they are impactful, but machine learning isn't all rosy. It has its share of advantages and disadvantages, doesn't it? Like any technology, machine learning has its advantages and disadvantages. Let's delve into these a bit, shall we? Firstly, the benefits. Machine learning has the ability to handle vast amounts of data. It's like a diligent librarian, tirelessly sorting, categorizing, and making sense of the endless stream of information. This efficiency can be seen in everyday applications such as the recommendation algorithms on your favorite streaming services. They sift through thousands of movies and series, and voila, you have a personalized list of recommendations. Machine learning also offers scalability. As it learns from data, it can adapt and evolve, making it capable of tackling larger and more complex tasks over time. Think of Google's search engine, which continues to refine its results as it processes billions of queries each day. However, no rose comes without thorns. Machine learning also poses some challenges. One major concern is data privacy. Your personal data is the fuel that powers these algorithms, leading to potential privacy infringements. Anyone remember the Facebook Cambridge Analytica scandal? Another downside is the risk of overfitting. This happens when a model learns too well from the training data, making it less effective when dealing with new unseen data. It's like studying for a test by memorizing the answers to past papers only to falter when faced with fresh questions. Now here's a challenge for you. Can you answer these questions about machine learning? First, how does machine learning differ from traditional programming? Second, why is data so crucial for machine learning? Third, can machines learn anything without human intervention? Fourth, what are some ethical concerns associated with machine learning? And lastly, can you name some industries that could benefit from machine learning? Delve into these questions. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'll unveil the answers soon in the video. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into machine learning. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, visit our website beawarechannel.com for more exciting content. Stay curious and keep learning. Welcome back, curious minds. Let's dive right into the answers to the questions we posed earlier. Firstly, machine learning differs from traditional programming in a significant way. while traditional programming follows a set of predefined instructions given by the programmer. Machine learning algorithms learn from the data they're fed. They make predictions or decisions not just based on explicit programming, but on patterns they recognize in the data. Secondly, data is the lifeblood of machine learning. It's like the teacher in a classroom. The quality and quantity of data determine how well a machine can learn. It's the basis for all predictions and decisions that machine learning systems make. Thirdly, machines can indeed learn without human intervention thanks to unsupervised learning. However, the quality of learning and the accuracy of decisions largely depend on the quality of data and the efficiency of the algorithm. Fourthly, ethical concerns in machine learning are quite significant. They include issues related to data privacy, transparency, and bias. It's crucial to ensure that machine learning systems are used responsibly and do not infringe on individual rights or perpetuate harmful biases. Lastly, the applications of machine learning are vast. Industries that could benefit include healthcare, where it can predict diseases, finance, where it can detect fraudulent transactions, and entertainment, where it can recommend personalized content, among others. Hope that clears up some of your queries. Remember, the journey of learning never ends. Keep exploring, keep learning, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, keep your curiosity alive.